everyone, welcome to Dream Decor. Today in this video I share with you some country style home decorating ideas. Let's see the video. Country style home decorating ideas are all about creating a warm, cozy and inviting atmosphere inspired by rural living and natural charm. It blends comfort, simplicity, and rustic details that make a house feel like home. Here are some key elements and ideas for decorating in country style. Key features of country style home decor: natural materials. Use wood, stone, wicker, linen, and cotton for furniture, floors, and textiles. Warm color palette. Soft neutrals, charm, beige, white, taupe, with earthy tones. Sage green, warm brown, terracotta, mustard, soft blue. Rustic furniture. Weathered wood tables, farmhouse dining seats, rocking chairs, vintage cupboards, and iron bed frames. Cozy textiles, quilts, gingham, floral prints, plaid and crochet details for pillows, curtains, and bedding. Vintage and handmade touches, antiques, repurposed finds, and handmade crafts add authentic character. Natural accents, fresh or dried flowers, potted plants, baskets, and wooden bowls bring in countryside charm. Country style decorating ideas by living room. Use a large, comfy sofa with floral or plaid slip covers. And a rustic coffee table made for reclaimed wood. Display vintage clocks, lanterns, and framed botanical prints. Kitchen. Open shelving with ceramic dishes and mason jars. A farmhouse sink with brush or copper fixtures. Gingham or lace curtains on windows. Bedroom. Iron or wooden bed frames with patchwork quilts. Soft lighting from bedside lamps with fabric shades. Open baskets for storage. Dining room. A long wooden farmhouse table with mismatched chairs. A vintage chandelier or messenger pendant lights. Seasonal centerpieces with fresh flowers or rustic candle holders. Bathroom. Wooden shelves with wicker baskets, vintage mirrors with distressed frames, soft floral or striped towels. Mixed patterns with care. Gingham, florals, plaid, and stripes can all work together in a country home. Balanced theme with solid neutrals, so the space doesn't feel too busy. Embrace distress finishes. Furniture with a weathered, chipped, or whitewashed look adds authentic country character. Think farmhouse tables, cabinets, or old wooden doors repurposed as decor. Add cozy layers, layer rugs, throws, and pillows to create softness and warmth. A braided rug over wood floors or a quilt folded at the foot of a bed instantly feels country. Use farmhouse accessories. Decorate with milk jugs, enamel ware, galvanized buckets, oven baskets, and mason jars for authentic rural touches. Showcase open storage. Instead of feeding everything, use open shelving in kitchen, mudroom, or bedrooms to display crockery, linens, or rustic baskets. Add homemade and personal touches, crochet doilies, hand-woven cushions, embroidery wall art, or DIY wood crafts. Keep the home charming and one of a king. Highlight architectural details. Exposed wooden beams, shiplap walls, wainscoting, and stone fireplaces are hallmarks for country homes. Even if you don't have theme naturally, wax finishes or paneling can create the look. Vintage lighting, lantern style pendants, old iron candeliers, or lamps with fabric shades add soft, nostalgic light. Keep it practical and inviting. Country style isn't about perfection, it's about warmth. Furniture should be comfortable, rooms lived in, and decor functional as well as pretty. Seasonal styling. Swap decor with the seasons. Spring. Pastel florals, fresh flowers in jars. Summer. Wicker baskets, linen textiles. Winter. Knitted blankets, paint cones, candle lanterns. Mix old and new. Blend antique finds, vintage dressers, old clocks, rustic trunks with new comfy pitches, sofa armchairs for balance. I think these tips help you. Thank you so much for watching this video.